This is the Garage Giant. Today I'm testing Meguiar's leather cleaner and conditioner and showing real before and after results. Let's get rolling. This seat belongs to my Ford Explorer ST, but this process works the same on most leather interiors. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or anything in between, I've taped off the base of this seat so we can work on just the left side. This way, we'll have a clear before and after. Starting with the Meguiar's leather cleaner, I'm spraying it directly onto a microfiber cloth. There's no need to soak the cloth, just spray enough in order to clean the seats. Now for the Meguiar's leather conditioner. I'm applying it using a separate microfiber cloth, massaging the solution into the grains of the seat. This step restores moisture, adds UV protection, and leaves your seat looking natural and refreshed. Now for the moment of truth. Let's pull off the tape. The left side has been fully cleaned and conditioned. The right side, still untouched, dry, dull, and worn. That side by side speaks for itself. I'm pretty happy with how the left side turned out. So now I'm going to use the same process as before to clean the rest of the seat. Once that's done, I'm following up with the conditioner to bring the entire seat back to life. Clean, conditioned, and protected. This is what proper leather maintenance looks like. This is the Garage Giant. If you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.